this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and today we're going to be making another winter soap. It's going to be our peppermint bark soap.
So I made a little peppermint bark to put on top of the piping that I'm going to do, and I made some little gumballs, looking soaps that we have over here. And they're going to be on top too. So it's going to be a very festive, beautiful soap. And before we go and start the soap, let's give a big thank you to all of you guys that are subscribing to our channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. And if you like this video, please subscribe. You'll help us grow our channel. And we thank you for that. So let's go and make this soap.
Let's get soaping!
Alright, so guys, here we go. I have, if you subscribe to our channel or watch our videos, you already know what's in here. So it's just our usual recipe. We have a coconut oil, palm oil, and castor oil, and olive oil, and sweet almond oil. And there we go. They're all together in here. And I'm going to put my coconut milk in there. Just doing this because we have a really nice big batch of coconut milk, and I want to use it. It's a chunky kind. It's very creamy and beautiful. It makes the soap feel so good. I like putting milk in my soaps. They just give a really nice feel. They're not just good for you, but they give a very nice feel right here. Well, I want to apologize if we didn't make a video last week because we've been very, very busy. We had two Halloween events, and so we're kind of running a little bit behind everything. Okay, so I'm going to blend my coconut milk. Okay, so now I have my lye solution over here, and I'm going to pour it in here. Make sure we don't splash it. There we go. There we go. And then we're going to blend this until it reaches a light trace, and I'll be back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to put some of this batter in here in a little container here, in a smaller container over here, because I want to put some red in here, because I'm going to use it to make, the little swirl, but in the pot swirl. And it's going to be very fine in the pot swirl. So we're going to use some titanium dioxide in here, in this one over here. And I'm going to use, Kelsey, can you pass me that, please? Thank you. And the little one is going to have red. And it's not going to be like super red, like, like really, really red. It's going to be kind of like a candy cane, kind of red. So let's find out. All right, let's do the tape. That's the way I want it. All the streaks, just like a peppermint candy cane, almost. Okay, so now I'm gonna tap it down a little bit, and we'll be back, and we're gonna do the piping. Alright guys, so my piping is ready, and we're gonna just pipe, pipe, pipe. Okay, before I put my peppermint bark stuff in there, I want to put a little bit of this Snowflake Sparkle Mica from Berry. I love this. And there we go. Because, you know, it's going to be a wintry, Christmassy soap, so I want it to look very Christmassy. Very wintry. And I'm going to spray a little bit of 91% alcohol here. And now I'm going to put the little peppermint peppermint bark. Now I'm going to put the peppermint bark pieces that I made right on it. Okay, so now put this over here. There we go, perfect. Now I'm going to put the gumballs. So I'm just going to put a little drizzle of mica with red mica with a little bit of almond oil. Just to make it look more festive. Oops, a little bit too much there. Okay, and I think we are done. And this soap is ready. So I'm gonna just take it out of the tripod right now, and we're gonna show you the close-up in a second. Okay guys, that's what it looks like up close. I think it came out really good. I'm really pleased with the top. See what it looks like inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we are gonna let this soap stay for about 24 to 48 hours and see how it goes. And I'll check it, and when it's ready I'm gonna cut it. So I'll see you guys for the cutting in a second. All right. Okay guys, it's been a couple of days and here it is, my peppermint bark soap. I'm gonna cut it today. So let's see what's happened inside. I really like the top, looks really good. So let's try the first slice. Let's see what happened here. Ooh, I like it. There it is. That's what it looks like inside. That's the first slice. And that's exactly what I wanted. Okay. Now let's go and do the rest of it. But today I'm by myself here because it's at this shop. It's a Friday here. And like I said, we're getting ready for Christmas. So lots of work to do. We're going to another show pretty soon. Another craft show, bazaar. So we're getting ready for that. There we go. Well, I hope I don't damage any of the balls here. The little things. But there we go here. That's another slice. See, I like the little thing in here, the little vortex, whatever our colors. It's pretty cute. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna keep going and slice all of them. Well, let me show you closer what it looks like. It's kind of weird here. I guess I can't do that. But this is the top, the way it came out here. Looks pretty cool, and the little peppermint bark here. So let me go and finish this. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Here they are, all cut and looking great. I really like the way this one came out. Just the way I want it, not like the other one. The other one came out really good, the hot cinnamon cocoa. In fact, let me show you a bar and show you the progress because it looked really green when we cut it the last time. It did mute it a little bit, so let me go and get a bar and show it to you. Okay, so this is the bar of the hot cinnamon cocoa. It still looks really nice, but as you can see over here, I still have really bad, kind of like this part over here is still kind of purplish. I don't think you can see it very well on the camera. I do like the fact that this turned out to be very dark brown, so I like that. I just hoped that this would be less purplish. So there's a little tiny bit of purple, but the rest of it is changing colors while it's curing, so I like that. It still looks really nice. So that's the update on this guy. Alright, so here we go. I want to thank everybody that's subscribing to our channel. You don't know how much it means to us. We really appreciate it. And please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching us. You guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.